let's get it. And then let's go set up somewhere. Oh, look at the red. I could have got some of them ribs. But this looks delicious, man. The colors are just brilliant. It tastes like a good grade of Velveeta cheese. What's going on, family? It's out here, it's raining, and we're about to go into the corner food station. Yo, this is soul food. I'm gonna call it a soul food fast food spot. This is the first time we checking it out. The food good here, sis? Is it good? All right. That's the, she just signed off on it, y'all. We gonna go in here and see what they got. We gonna see what they got. Let's see what they got. See what they got. Oh, it's crowded in this joker, yo. It's crowded in here. I don't know. I gotta go over here and order. I don't know what I'm gonna get though. How you doing, brother? You order right here? Okay. Thanks. All right, y'all. We gonna order. It's good, man. I'm getting a traditional. I didn't go too far. The guy said, "Oh, look at the turkey wings. Oh, look at the red now." I could have got some of them ribs too. Look, these got pork, look like some pork knuckles. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Macaroni and cheese, I hear is good, right? It just looked like that macaroni. It looked like macaroni and cheese with Velveeta on it, but I'm gonna see how it tastes, man. I talked to this cat, and he lives down here outside of Baltimore, but he said he's been here several times and it's never been a bad mistake. So I didn't get no greens. They did have greens in there. I should have walked around the whole counter. As y'all see, there was all types of food in there. Those yams look delicious. The macaroni and cheese, it looked like the Velveeta type macaroni and cheese. The fried chicken looks brilliant. Let's see what's up. All right, y'all, I'm here. I'm outside of Baltimore, Maryland. We're about 10 minutes from Baltimore. And the first thing I'm going to go into, y'all know, first thing I'm going into is that fried chicken. Look at them colors on there, man. Look at that. Everything looks so bright. I'm going into this fried chicken, man. You know? Oh, I got 4 pieces. I'm glad I didn't get any more. Oh, my goodness. Just, it smells delicious. Look at this fried chicken, y'all. I got some hot sauce over there, but let's just... As soon as I taste the skin on my tongue, man, delicious flavor. Nice crunch, man. This is really delicious. It's this truck backing up kind of far. It done passed me. I was trying to park. Okay, let me chill out. Let's put some hot sauce, y'all. We're gonna put some hot sauce on it. Hold on, let me see if I can just tip this down a little bit more so y'all can check this food out. I'm gonna put that wing right there. It's raining outside, y'all. I could not eat on the truck today. We're gonna put some hot sauce. Pieces of crispiness of this chicken is falling off onto my pant leg. Let's see. Look, if you down in the Baltimore, Maryland area, here's the address right here. To this spot right here. It's called Corner Food Station. I'm going to another piece. You know what? Y'all know I always say I like the flats. Even the drumstick part of this chicken looks delicious. Looks delicious. Put a little hot sauce on it. That skin, man, they know what they're doing when they're frying it. Wow. I'm not even going to compare this chicken to anything else because we out of town. But I would bring people back here to this spot. I'm grunting because that hot sauce is good too. Here we go, y'all. Let's go into this macaroni and cheese. The guy said he liked it. I don't know, just the way it looked. I like to see cheese and stuff on my macaroni and cheese. You know what I'm saying? They look like Velveeta cheeses on here, but let's check it out. I dropped the macaroni and cheese. I just washed this sweater. Somebody was commenting on my sweater. They said, you always wear that sweater. Not always. The macaroni and cheese is very tender. It's very tasty, but it's what I expected. It's macaroni and cheese. It tastes like it flavored well, and that they put some salt and stuff on the macaroni. But it tastes like, you know, like it tastes like a good grade of Velveeta cheese. Yeah. Yeah, I'll go out on a limb and say that they don't put like regular cheese in here. It's too creamy. Last thing I gotta try is the sweet potatoes. You got some whole chunks of yams here. That is some deliciousness in that yam. It is very sweet, very rich, man. They did a real good job on the yams. The macaroni and cheese have something to desire. But now I'm starting to get the mix. If you mix these two, ooh, that's so good and rich. Those are sweet potatoes. Potatoes. I even see some of this juice, you know. And y'all gotta know I talk about when my grandmother and mom used to make it. It had that yam juice at the bottom of the bowl of the pan. That's got like that juice down here. It's a great mix. It makes the macaroni taste better. The macaronis don't taste bad, but I just be expecting some chunks of cheese in my macaroni, you know. I'm sure there's no egg in here neither, nothing holding it together, you know. I don't know how they got that one off. The guy said he liked the macaroni. All right, y'all. So this is what it is, right? We're out here hanging out with all of the YouTubers at the YouTube booth at the Annapolis Boat Show. Yeah, man. I'm learning so much, right? They say the mind is like a parachute. It works best when it's open. So I'm open-minded, learning a lot from some of my peers. And look, man, we're in Annapolis. It's pretty nice down here, right? Are you a YouTuber?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? Oh, I gotta get your channel, man. I gotta get your channel.
YouTube, you doing this too?
I do YouTube, yep. Yeah. I'm about to eat.
So we learned from our parents how to do this. So we are born and raised in Annapolis, so we grew up on water.
Look at this.
Crabbing and
Hold up. So look, before I even bought it, this young woman here, she's from New Orleans, but she's via Arizona.
Yep.
Tell us about that crab cake.
So it is to die for. I mean, my family owned a bar and restaurant in New Orleans my whole life, and this is so full of crab meat. And,
Yes.
I mean, it's homemade. It's fantastic.
Oh, well, let's get it, and then let's go set up somewhere.
You want to
What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. I am at the food table of Laux Catering here in Annapolis. I've never been to Annapolis, man. This is my first time. I've been through here a lot. Y'all know we be on 95, just booking through Maryland, trying to get through all of the state troopers, make sure we don't get a ticket. But we finally stopped. We're here for the boat show, the Annapolis Boat Show 2023. Look, y'all know I was at G&M. I had their crab cakes. They were delicious. Now I went to Laux Catering. You guys see the video? I got that crab cake. I got that crab. The Optimist Club?
Yeah,
They're also here for the Optimist Club. What is that?
it's a club where they help young children that are deprived or
Oh, wow. The Optimist Club, y'all. We got to find out more about that. I'm going to put some information about that down there, too. All right. So, look, Laux. We're at I'm calling it Laux Catering. I also got Italian sausage here. We didn't put anything on that, but you know how a sausage is. I'm going for the crab cakes first. All right, I'm gonna just pick the crab cake up. I mean, there's lettuce and tomatoes on here, as you guys can see. Let me pull it back there a little bit. There's lettuce and tomatoes on there, but we're just gonna get that crab cake. And I'm gonna eat this with the sauce part first.
Hey, don't forget those styrofoam cups are down there.
That's good crab cake, y'all. Here we go again. I'm gonna be done ate the whole crab cake, and I'm gonna be too full for the sausage. See that meat in there?
Isn't that good?
It is good. I'm gonna mix it up with the sandwich. Let's get the whole
Oh,
taste of it.
enchilada.
I had a sandwich, saw a sandwich one time with this much veggies on it. They said it was dragged through the garden.
Yes, it was right from the garden. Peppers were too.
This is really good, y'all. With the lettuce, tomatoes, with the sauce. Delicious. I'm not gonna eat all of this because I'm gonna be full. I wanna eat it all. I have to taste the sausage though. Let me clear my palate with some Sprite. Don't tell my doctor I'm drinking Sprite, y'all. All right, let's go for this sausage. Pull that pepper up there. Like, look at those nice grilled peppers on there. You got green bell pepper, you got red pepper, have onions on there, grilled to perfection. Looks beautiful. Presentation is beautiful. I'm so glad that I stopped here at the table of Laux Catering. This is delicious. Your man Matt DV. We're gonna visit some more restaurants the next 4 days that we're down here in Annapolis. I'm eating on a freezer right now, out on the street. This is beautiful, man. These are delicious. The sausage is delicious. I'm gonna finish this crab cake now. Thank you. I'm gonna wrap the sausage up because I know this is gonna fill me up, and that sausage is gonna be for lunch. That's the lunch following lunch, okay? Because you have breakfast, lunch, then dinner. Matt DV, nobody told you they love you today. You hanging with the wrong people. Love you, Kat. See you at the next one. That crab cake gone, y'all. It was really good. It was really good. If I had to decide between G&M and this one, G&M is still the best crab cake that I've eaten in my whole life. G&M, but this right here was delicious. It was really delicious.